If the dealership pitches you, hey, this is for safety, it reduces crashes, just ask them one simple question. Show me the data that shows that it reduces crashes. They can't even Google it. It's not even on Google. It doesn't exist. And it actually, if you go back to the 90s, that shows that it doesn't help or reduce the likelihood of getting a rear end collision. So this is all a dealer markup. If you do want this on your car, which I don't recommend, you can buy it on Amazon for really, really cheap. And then also, most importantly, when dealers put this on your car, there is a strong possibility that it actually voids your warranty. And when you look at your warranty supplement guide, it states in there that if you have any additional adds to your vehicle that are non-OEM, it does void your warranty. So every manufacturer has that, so the dealerships will void your warranty. And I've ran into this before in the past because the manufacturer has asked, hey, is there any other objects on this car that could be causing this issue? Because this does tie into your electrical system. They splice the wires to ensure that there's power, and it pulses the brake light, the third blinking brake light. Say that 3 times real quick. It's very difficult, but don't pay for this. They're usually around $500.